In trading, like in any other field, you need to start with the basics. Without basic knowledge, you can quickly lose everything. But what if you don't have the time nor the energy to study it all? Want it right here and right now. Now today, everyone is talking about power of neural networks, saying that they will replace humans. Let's test and see if an AI bot can replace me, or if it's true that a professional is still unmatched. Hi, this is Oswald, and I've been trading for over 20 years, learning a lot myself and teaching others to make the right moves in the market. I've achieved impressive results, and now it's very important for me to share my experience with the traders and help newcomers, and warn them about all the mistakes. Let's find out, testing a bot, is it a mistake or a step into the future? Now let's begin. Before we start, I want to invite you to my free Telegram channel, where I trade every day and publish my sessions in real time. So it means that you can see all my actions and just copy them. If you have any questions, you can always message me directly on Telegram. Join for free through the link in the description below or the first pinned comment. Alright, now let's set up a real trading battle and find out who's better, the most powerful trading bot or me, a trader with 20 years of experience. We'll start with 50 and do 5 sessions each. By the way, I once worked with a basic bot and wasn't impressed, so today I'll start with a small amount because I don't want to lose everything. So I'll increase the investment by 50 units each after every session. Now, sounds good? Alright, now of course we need to set up our trading platform parameters. So let's get to it. Setting up the platform for professionals is automatic, but I advise you to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. So, the first value, okay, and next time frame as usual, and I'll choose the 5 ideal pairs. I always look at their percentages. Alrighty then, and everything is ready. It's time to start our experiment. I'll go first and we'll see what bot can do. Now let's begin. Now, starting at the trade on the first pair, analyzing the market situation. Okay. There's been a trend reversal for the recent low, so I'll go long following the upward trend. Should be beneficial. There, great result. First session and such an outcome. Moving on to the second pair, Canadian and Japanese. As agreed, I'll double the initial value, and the chart shows a channel movement at the maximum level here. Now, considering my current position, I'll go long to follow this movement within the market logic. I was right again. The market almost mirrored the previous pattern. So a couple of days ago, my Telegram followers and I got into a detailed discussion about safe trading strategies during channel movement. It all started when one of the members messaged me privately. Then we had a thorough discussion on the channel. If you've got any interesting topics you want to discuss or talk about, just click the link in the description and shoot me a message on Telegram. Alright, now let's move on to the next trade. Now let's check out the Australian and New Zealand pair. Oh, and classic chart stuff here. So after hitting a local high, there's a downtrend reversal. So I'm gonna follow that trend down. This move fits the current market situation and should benefit from the drop in candle. Nice. Classic setup plus the right call always means a reward. Thanks to my technical analysis skills. Now let's keep on going. Now, moving on to the next pair, this time I'll trade a larger amount. As agreed. There's been a long upward candle movement for about an hour, and in this situation, a beginner might lose savings if they decide to follow this trend. So, wait a minute. But here, we need to consider the current sideways trend, and hold on. Yeah, so I'll go short here. Great, excellent result. Now let's finish with a final session and do some independent analysis. Alright, we've got the fifth pair, the Australian and Canadian duo. I'll take a good look at the chart, and looks like the main thing here is the logical upward candle movement after prolonged bearish impulses and the start of the bullish trend. So I'll follow and go long. And fantastic. Today's session has significantly boosted my starting amount. It's a good result, but I usually aim for bigger goals and get much bigger results. Before we dive into the main part of our experiment, let's make a few changes in our choice of trading pairs. This will help us get the same percentages and ensure equal conditions. I've already set everything up for the new sessions to match my initial setup. Only then can we get fair results. Let's pick our main players for the bot. And these ones. And these. Definitely this pair and this one. Awesome. It's time to start our trading sessions with bot signals. Let's do this. Now, opening the first pair and... Alright, starting with the same amount as before. Wow, the bots are just going short. Okay, let's go short. Let's give it a short and see what happens. Now, it looks like the bot notices the highest candle for this pair and has already been reached. So it's logical expecting a trend reversal. Wow, not a bad start for the bot. It's like it really can give accurate signals. Now, opening the second pair for the bot, Australian and American. Going with a bigger amount this time. So the bots are just going short again. Well, alright, let's trust its recommendation and proceed. Seems like the bot is confident that the downtrend will continue. Dangerous, but let's see. Oh, it worked. That's exactly what happened. I can't say it was a well thought out decision. It was very close to a mistake. On my Telegram channel, I often emphasize that the final stages are very adventurous moments for entry. To avoid falling into such a trap, you better subscribe and stay updated. The link is in the description below and the first pinned comment. But the bot got a good result and that's what matters. So moving on. Now we're on the next pair with another recommendation from the bot to go short. So it looks like the bot noticed a trend reversal after hitting a historical high, and it's following this change. So I think this is a very smart analysis. So good call by the bot. This is getting more interesting. We got a nice result. The question about this bot's effectiveness remains open. Moving on to the fourth pair, entering the maximum amount as agreed. So the bot predicts a downtrend here. Seems like the bot expects a downtrend to continue, so I always advise paying attention to the length of the candles, and the bulls are likely to stop the trend here. The bot rushed it, so I wouldn't have done that. And damn, the bot lost 200. My doubts were justified. I don't know whether to be happy or not. On one hand, I've already outperformed it. On the other hand, the bot lost my savings. Okay, now let's put emotions aside and keep going. Let's see if it can redeem itself. Now, final session for the bot, it predicts an upward movement. Okay, I have the feeling that this bot doesn't understand what's going on. There's going to be a strong downward impulse after a small consolidation in the market. Just as expected, the bot destroyed my funds again. I'm genuinely disappointed. There's so much hype around these trading bots, but the result is a loss of savings. Out of 5 sessions, 2 ended in losses and 1 absolutely weird, so what's the point? Now to summarize, I got more in 5 sessions than the bot did. Conclusion, I wouldn't recommend using this bot at all. I'd rather strongly advise against it. So I'm not even going to link it in the description. Today, I've shown you that trading with a bot is a total waste of resources. But I have a safe and clear alternative for you for trading and experience in Live Trader. Remember, I regularly hold open trading sessions on my Telegram channel. Anyone can see my steps, follow them, and get similar results. And admit it, they're pretty good, right? If you haven't subscribed yet, use the link in the description below and the first pinned comment under the video. If you have any questions on how to set up the platform or which indicators to choose, just shoot me a message and I'll be happy to help.